guys, this is me. I'm gonna tell you guys where I got these. So first up, I got this dog at what was the name we called again? Walgreens. Got this at Walgreens. Got this shark at Target. It's not really squishy, but it's fine. I got this tiny mesh ball also at Target. I got this thing from I don't know. I forgot what it's called, but it was I forgot, but I may in the future I may be going to Learning Express. And I got this tiny chick. It's squishy. It lights up too. That's super cool. Yeah, that. Next up, I got this thing right here. It has sand in it. Giant bar. And I got it. So yeah. And this one is also with. Oh yeah. It's also this. So yeah. Lastly, the kitty. It's big. It has weird stuff in it, and now in the box. First up, it's so. I got this one from Santa, so it's hard to squeeze though. So I got this one. My mom got it from me, so yeah. I got this cow from also. This was a few days, maybe a few weeks ago. Same as this, and we picked this maybe in 2020. So yes, it is. Let's go. Next one is this banana. Super bad. Not really bad. Look at this little. Smells super good. Next up is this hot dog. It's super friends and that's it. Next up is this. Oh, I already showed them. I got this squishy carrot. It's a tag not off yet because we forgot to take the tag off. So yeah. Next up is tomatoes. Okay, and this also sprat bar. This carrot one that goes along with this. And this light bulb, it's hard to find. This thing right here, and this, and you all been waiting for this. Part 2 is coming soon. Goodbye.